We are now in Pasig City at matatapos na yung ating low-carb baking class today, low-carb Pinoy breads po, yung ating tinuro sa araw na ito. Okay, here are our participants. Kaway naman kayo sa ating mga audience. Ayan, coming from all over. Sino pinakamalayo? Saan po? General Santos City. Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am. Ay, grabe. Ah, hanggang all the way from General Santos. Okay. So, nag-join na rin kayo. Ayun. That's very nice. That's very nice. Baking class. Oh, that's nice. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, so, yung ating low-carb baking workshop for today here in Pasig City, meron po tayong dalawang brand sponsors. Ayan. So, unang-una, pasalamatan po muna natin si Kito Kusina. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating Kito Kusina. Yay! Okay, so Kito Kusina is a maker of sugar-free sauces and chocolates. At meron na rin po mga gourmet sisig, tuyo, and alige. Ayan. And meron din K-pop, Kito Kusina, popsicle ice cream. So, tama-tama po for summer. Ayan. So, now, thank you also Kito Kusina kasi bawat estudyante natin ay makakatanggap ng Kito Kusina gift pack. O, palakpakan naman. Lakas pa, energy pa! Yan! Alright. Thank you so much, Kito Kusina. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And of course, no, isa sa mga favorites din natin for baking. I bake, no, I decorate with Kito Kusina chocolates, sugar-free chocolates, at maraming variants po ito. So, ngayon, nakasalang pa lang, no? Kito Kusina, nakasalang pa lang. Pero yung ating Spanish bread ay meron pong Kito Kusina chocolate chunks or pwede rin chocolate chips, no? Nasa loob ng ating Spanish bread. And also, even the ensaymada, pwede rin yung pong i-garnish with chocolates ng Kito Kusina. Ito po ay i-mix nyo lang with a little oil and then microwave a bit, no? Ay meron ka ng chocolate drizzle na pwede mong ilagay sa yung mga pastries. Ayan. So, Kito Kusina, thank you so much. I've been baking with Kito Kusina since 2019. Palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you, thank you. And go to the next stop here. Habang, nakasalang pa. Of course, yung ating another brand partner po is Low Carb Perfect Match Selections na meron din tayong mga raffle prizes para sa inyo. Palakpakan naman natin. Yay! Now, ito yun. No? Kasi nag-diversify na rin ng mga products si Low Carb Perfect Match. So, meron na rin siyang mga baking ingredients at yun yung mga, yun yung mga ipapamigay natin ngayong araw na ito. May iba't ibang mga baking ingredients like oat fiber, coconut flour, coconut flour, no? Sugar substitute, stevia erythritol blend, and favorite ko to, pang kape, and pang cookies, brown sugar, no, erythritol. Ayan, so ang daming laman. Ang daming laman. Okay, palakpakan naman natin. Sponsored tayo ng ating raffle prizes by Low Carb Perfect Match. And of course, we also bake and we can garnish our pastries and breads with Low Carb Perfect Match spreads. Ayan. So, yung ating ding ensaymada at yung ating ding Spanish bread, makikita nyo sa ating mga video later, ay nilagyan din natin ng isa sa mga favorite kong spreads, no? Ay itong To Feel Good by Perfect Match. Ayan. And grabe, nagiging dessert ko na rin to. Okay, so palakpakan naman natin si Low Carb Perfect Match. And yes, even sa ating mga sugar-free beverages and drinks, syempre, yung ating e-book, okay, it is a combination of 40 plus low-carb premium breads, savory breads, pita wraps, and beverages. At masasabi ko sa inyo sa beverages po, lahat ng flavored natin, coffee and non-coffee, I use Perfect Match stevia drops. Merong strawberry, merong lemon, merong mga iba't ibang flavors for my coffee drinks dito sa recipe natin, mocha, hazelnut, cafe latte, cafe mocha, etc., etc. At ayan po yung ating ginawan, pinag-eksperimentohan ginawa ng recipe for the past 5 years of my low-carb baking life. At ngayon, sa isang e-book lang nandyan na siya. And we just released this last January ba? No, January 9. And so far, we already have over 100 subscribers. Palakpakan naman natin, 200 na pala. Okay, so, syempre nananawagan kami. Kung gusto nyo ng printed book, kailangan po natin ng reseller or distributor package para ma-print. Pero so far, the ebook is doing good kasi we have subscribers outside the Philippines. Meron din, ewan ko kung saan na kami nakarating. Oo, yan. Saudi, Australia, US, at meron din po outside Manila. So, yung ebook is very convenient. Just download it, print it, o isave mo sa tablet mo. Pag naisipan mo, minsan nakalimutan ko, asa na nga ba yung lemon curd? Ayun. Asa na nga ba yung mocha frap? Ayun. Asa na nga ba yung ensaymada? Ayun. Nandun na siya lahat. And pita wraps, no? As well. Nandito, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. The pita wraps, I'm telling you, ginawa ko yung lasagna out of the pita wraps, the empanadas out of the pita wraps, beef lasagna, salmon lasagna, etc. out of the pita wrap. So, maraming pwedeng gawin and everything is here. Okay? So, ebook, magsusubscribe na ba kayo? Yes! Okay, so, again, for our future workshops, please join us and just follow our page. Ayan. So, mamaya ulit, we will be live and we'll show you ano yung mga ginawa namin ngayon. See you, everyone! Palakpakan naman natin. Yay! Okay, ayan. Mainit pa? Alright, so,